XLOOKUP function is used for looking up a value in a range and return its corresponding value. XLOOKUP is a super function which combines the best features from various popular Excel functions, such as lookup, index match, IFER, IFNA, lookup, and many more. Syntax equals lookup underscore value, lookup underscore array, return underscore array. If underscore not underscore found, match underscore mode, search underscore mode. Lookup underscore value, what is the value we are looking for? Lookup underscore array, where should we look up our value? Return underscore array, from where should the corresponding value be returned? This could be a column, row, or even a range, meaning we can return more than one cell per match. Note that unlike lookup, and similar to index match, return underscore array can be before the lookup array.